Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you the ability to trade anywhere with the incredibly sophisticated mobile platform, cTrader Mobile, available in the Apple iOS App Store and on Android and Google Play for both smartphones and tablets. In this video, we will explore placing orders and risk management. There are a variety of ways to place orders in cTrader Mobile. For example, to place a market order directly from the charts, open a full-screen chart and tap the Order icon. Set your desired lot size and click either the Buy or Sell button, depending on the direction of your desired position. This is called Quick Trade, and you may set automatic stop loss and take profit under Settings and Quick Trade. Your new position is displayed on the chart with stop loss and take profit levels indicated. You may adjust the stop loss simply by tapping and dragging to a new level, and your risk in pips and account currency is displayed here. You may also adjust the take profit level in the same manner, and your potential profit is displayed here. As well, the current status of your open position is displayed here. A more precise method of opening positions and calculating your risk works like this. Open a full-screen chart and, after your technical analysis or fundamental analysis, or both, you want to enter the market at the current price, activate the crosshairs and place it at the current price. Tap the delta and move the red crosshairs to your proposed stop loss and note the distance in pips from your entry point to your stop loss. This represents the risk on your trade. Now, tap the order icon and tap Advanced to access the Create Order page. If the Advanced button is not visible on your phone or tablet, simply return to the same symbol on your watch list and tap either the Buy or Sell button. Now, simply activate the stop loss and enter the number of pips from your risk measurement, either with the keypad or the plus and minus buttons. Now, your risk on that trade will be displayed in percentage and account currency, and you may set this by adjusting your quantity or lot size to the required level. If you are a new trader, take your time on this and practice. Setting your risk per trade will likely be the most important thing you do as a profitable trader. You may also set your take profit level in the same way. Now, tap the Create Order button at the bottom of the screen. You may also return to that symbol's chart and tapping and dragging the take profit to your desired level. Your risk and potential profit will now be displayed on the chart, and you may adjust these at any time. Return to the Positions page and you will see your open positions. You may modify the positions here, double the size of the position at the current price, or to close the position and open an equal size position in the opposite direction, tap Reverse. If you increase the quantity and tap Modify, a new position will be opened at the current price. If you decrease the quantity and tap Modify, the existing position will be partially closed at the current price. Protect allows you to modify the stop loss and take profit in the same manner. Trailing Stop allows you to create a stop loss that will automatically follow the price once your position is in profit. If price action reverses and reaches the trailing stop, your position will be closed for a profit. Chart displays a chart of that symbol, and double tapping will open a full screen chart, and tapping on any of the 3 points of the trade will allow you to move the stop loss or take profit. Details displays everything you need to know about the open position. You also have the option of creating a pending order, where a position will be opened only when price action reaches a predetermined level. A limit order is used when you expect price to reach your target and to reverse in the opposite direction. A stop order is used when you expect price to reach your target and to continue in the same direction. In both these orders, you should use your crosshairs to measure your risk and adjust your lot size accordingly, just as you would do for a market order. Pending orders may be viewed on a chart as well, and you have the additional option of moving the entry price by tapping and dragging. You may also set an expiry date to cancel the order after a predetermined time, before the weekend for example, and you may set a trailing stop to manage the trade without your manual intervention. Price alerts to inform you when a price has reached a certain level may be set quite easily simply by typing in the desired price, setting the parameters, higher or lower, ask for a pop-up, and insert an optional comment. Your price alert, as with all notifications, will appear on your smartwatch if you have this set up. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader mobile video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.